Morning, guys. By the time this is actually uploaded, though, it might not be morning, but yeah, it's like 8:10 in the morning right now, and iKON's music video just dropped for Airplane. I don't think you can see it on the screen right now, but it says Airplane. I have the music video set up already. But yeah, going to see my bias Bobby in this music video. Yes, I'm so tired. Sorry, guys. It's one of those mornings. I just want to go back to sleep. But yeah, here's my reaction, and I do have another reaction lined up after this, which is to Ailey. But yeah, ready to see iKON and all of them. Alright, enjoy the reaction. Airplane. Alright, Bobby. Hi, Bobby! Oh, Bobby is a pig! Uh-oh, is there gonna be like some love triangle? Oh! I wonder, is it a love triangle? They both like her? Ooh. Ooh. Who are you? I need to learn their names! I'm liking that pink jacket. I love it when he raps. Who's that was holding hands? Who? Biased. Aww. I think he likes her. Aww. Somebody leaving? I need to watch this with the subtitles, with their subtitles. Aww. She got on the airplane. Why'd you get on the airplane? Wow. It's such a chill song, but I really need to watch the music video with subtitles. Is there subtitles available? I don't think so. Not yet. I need to understand the lyrics of the song so I get what happened. But she got on the airplane! Why did she get on the airplane? Friends reference, if you guys know that. But instead, Rachel didn't get on the airplane. She came back home. Oh, I was hoping for a moment like that. Oh, the glare from my TV. So bright. Anyways, I like the song. It was a good song. It's a good chill song. Still, however, waiting for something that is very in your face and upbeat. Not to say that it is a bad song. I really do like this song. I think I've just had higher expectations for the next single or the next promotion that they're gonna do, but who knows. With this half album, there's a lot. Sorry, excuse me for rubbing my eye. With the half album, I have to listen to it, and maybe there's a track on there that's gonna be very upbeat, or their next comeback within November will feature a more upbeat track. Maybe. And not to say that these tracks are not upbeat. They're pretty upbeat. My Type and Airplane are very chill. It's a very chill song. And you know what? It does fit the fall, autumn season right now that's happening. But yeah, I liked it. It was a very cute music video. I think there was a little love triangle going on with Bobby and B.I. and that girl. And I mean, who knows? Who knows? What if the next music video is a continuation of this? Of what happened? Maybe. Alright, I hope you enjoyed my reaction. I know I wasn't as lively compared to yesterday's reaction. The other days. But it's still morning and I'm trying to wake up. So forgive me for that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share all of this. Subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment down below to see what other things you'd like me to react to. There's literally a lot of music videos that I've been saving up and just wondering if I should make a reaction to it. So yeah, I think I should make an attention reaction soon. But yeah, my next reaction coming up. Ailey, about to do that right now. Alright, thanks guys. Oh, and also don't forget to follow me on all my social media. Alright, have a good day. See you in the next one. Bye.